Ayan po, welcome back to our channel guys. So ito yung part na kung saan we really enjoy kasi ito yung hot spring ng Lake Agco. So yung tubig on the left side is a hot water, steaming hot water from doon mismo doon sa malaking lakes. And the other side is the natural cold also na galing din po doon sa kabilang spring. So dito po kung saan you can stay here, super sarap and it's really good for the body. And aside from that, pwede ka rin dito magstay while before na maglagay ka ng mga ng mga yung clay sa mukha, sa face, which is they were saying na nakakatulong po na or there is a benefit sa ating katawan. So ayan, thanks Tito Bon sa paggawa nito ng video while we're enjoying the hot water, the hot spring, the natural spring talaga. Kung alam nyo po, kung nagdala kami ng itlog, talagang maluluto siya, ganun siya kainit talaga, na dati medyo open pa po yung side na kung saan galing talaga itong hot spring, but for some reason they close it at hindi ka na po pwedeng doon pumunta sa pinaka-close na hot lake kasi nga delikado talaga siya at nakakapaso or it might get you a 3rd degree burn talaga kasi super talaga siya. So ayan, we stayed almost an hour pa dito or more than kasi na-enjoy talaga namin. At first, paglublob mo, medyo mainit talaga. So, stay with soak with your feet first and until na medyo makaya mo na yung init, then started to go down. So, hindi naman po siya malalim at naturally brown lang talaga siya. Pero, may nakapagsabi sa amin na itong tubig dati ay super blue at super linis. And ayun, for some reason again na naging brown siya. So, ayan, hindi naman po siya madumi. At kasi meron din siyang labasan ng water dyan para lumabas yung mga dirty while you are steaming. So ayan, we really enjoy here at since na November 1 po ito is All Souls Day or All Saints Day. Ayan, we come up here and kung pupunta ka dito sa Lake Agco from Kidavao, it's just a matter of 30 minutes and super talaga malamig ang lugar, natural, pa talaga, they try to preserve the beauty of this place, especially ng mga trees na talagang hindi sila nagpuputol. So it's very good din talaga. And during that time po na affected din ito ng lindol kasi grabe din talaga yung lindol dati and fortunately bago lang po ito silang bukas to the public again after siguro nag-renovation din po sila. So ayan, just enjoy the rest of the video guys and I hope na makapunta din kayo dito and it's really good for the body. At the same time, mura lang talaga ang entrance dito is 20 pesos. And you can enjoy na po the rest of your kung pwede kayo kung gusto nyong dito half day or whole day, pwede naman po. And ayan lang. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.